Hey there, our successful CEOs! The more you grow, the more you need to dig deeper and learn how to manage your crypto exchange successfully. Hamster Kombat understands it, and that's why we have already implemented cryptography into your game profiles. Now, every day you have an opportunity to earn an extra 1 million coins using Morse code to find the secret word of the day. Today, June 5th, this word is BTC. To turn on the decryption mode, click on the Earn per Tap button 3 times. Using the decryption mode, you can tap dots and dashes, depending on the duration of your tap, the way you would use real Morse code. B dash 3 dots, T dash, C dash dot dash dot. If you miss step one of the letters, just start over. If you don't get it on the first try, don't worry. Watch this video again and repeat after me. Follow our hamster news, share it with your friends, and let the world know that you were able to find the word of the day. A new word will appear every day at 7 p.m. UTC. And remember, looking for and cracking secret words together with your friends is much easier and way more fun. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and good luck!